Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to upload photos via the Google Drive link using the phone. Google Drives provides a cloud-based storage solution, allowing you to securely back up your photos. This ensures that your valuable memories are preserved even if something happens to your phone. So let's dive into the tutorial on my mobile screen. There are two methods to upload photos. First, open your photos, navigate to the library, or choose your preferred folder. Once you have selected a photo, click and hold. Then choose multiple photos if desired. Then go to Share. Find Google Drive or click More to locate it. And click on Go Drive. And your Google Drive will open. Now select the appropriate email ID if you have multiple accounts. Then choose the folder in your Google Drive or create a new one. Once the folder is selected, the photos will be uploaded. Alternatively, you can go directly to Google Drive and navigate to the desired folder. Upload photos by clicking the plus icon and selecting Uploads. You can choose photos from your device or folders. That is it. I have shown you two methods to upload photos to Google Drive. If you enjoy this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.